Hi, Basic Nutrition class. I enjoyed reading your work in Module 1, and now we're ready to start Module 2, which is due on Friday. Just one quick reminder about the case study coming up. This is one of several case studies you get to do, and I've said it in the syllabus and maybe elsewhere. Just a reminder to be sure and use your punctuation, your capital letters, and also use good grammar in your writing. This is not text-style writing I'm expecting here, and I will take off for those things. Hopefully you'll enjoy the assignments, and I also want to just remind you, with Labor Day weekend coming up in the U.S., you all are taking an 8-week class, so don't dilly-dally too much over the holiday if you can help it. There's a writing assignment in Module 3. You can always work ahead as much as you want in this class, but just a few things to hopefully make your life a little bit easier as you go through the next 2 weeks. And I wish you the best.